So if you want to use grid fill in Blender, first select your object, then go into edit mode, then go up here and select edge or press 2. Then we're going to alt select the edges. Then we're going to press Ctrl F and go all the way down to grid fill. And as you can see, it's now fully filled in. You can also do this with different forms. So if I now select the second object, go into edit mode and press Alt and left mouse button. Again, press Ctrl F and choose grid fill. You can see it fully fills it out. Now the third example is a bit of a different one. Again, I'm going to select it, go to edit mode by pressing tab, select the edges, press Ctrl F and select grid fill. And as you can see, even with a weirder form, it also works. Do be aware, for the best result you need an even amount of edges.